We're going to do an unboxing video of the Triaxe Cruze. Just want to point out two things real quick before I start. Here's the Cruze put together. Here's the Sport, the Triaxe Sport. Two different units, completely different. We're going to talk about those two units next, a comparison video. And we're also going to do a full review over the Triaxe Cruze, take it outside. So subscribe to our channel, like our videos, we got more coming. This is the Cruze. It will arrive to you just like this. It comes in actually a really nice box. So if you're buying any scooter, this box is really nice. I'm actually took one home, try to organize my garage a little bit. They're really nice thick boxes. Now if this thing comes in damaged, refuse it please, or take really good pictures. You could open this up if you like, because it's an easy one to open. I'm just going to cut these tabs off and go right into it. So this is a very portable unit, 350 pound weight capacity fold down scooter. It's not one of the power fold ups. I like this better than a power fold up. So a lot of people are calling about the transformer that folds up with the button. They're nice, but they have some flaws, and they're smaller seats. So this is a nice unit. This one's going to be in red. I'll see it comes in red or blue, and the Sport comes in a lot of different colors, but they do not have those at the moment. But we still want to talk about the two in a comparison video coming up next. So when you open this up, it's already put together. I mean, you're gonna have to put it on a charger for a good 12-hour charge. It's a 12 amp hour battery, lithium-ion battery, TSA approved, travel friendly, which makes it nice. They say it goes up to about 18 miles. It's probably going to be around 175, 200 pound person to get that full 18 miles on a flat, hard surface. It does hold up to 350 pounds. It's not a very big scooter, so if you're a big person, you just want to make sure you can bend your knees to get onto it. So let's go ahead and this is it. I mean, this is pretty much unboxing. I think this unit weighs about 57 pounds. There's a handle back here, so don't do what I just did. I'm gonna slide that to the side, and then you could just pull this up. Now, this thing will stop right here. This is adjustable too. So if you are a smaller person, you can sit the height. Now, they say there's not adjustable seats on this, but I talked to Tim today. He says you can do this. It's at 16 inches from here to there. So if you're a shorter person, this could be good because you can adjust this. So that's pretty cool. We didn't really know that too much. And then this comes up at the standard height, which we're going to be at 18 inches from the floor to the seat height. Now this is a 3-wheel scooter, just so you know. But it has these little anti-tippers on the side, so it kind of keeps it from flipping over. There's a lot of cool stuff about this unit, so watch our review on the unit. This is the unboxing. So inside of here, you're going to find the bag, and then you're going to find this. And another small little box with your charger in it and some other stuff you need. So this goes on the front, which you don't really need, but it's like a bumper. So there's two spots you can put it at. So we're going to put it right into there, and you're going to pull this pin out a little bit and slide it in, and then you'll have another. This can probably come out a little bit more, but you'd always want to have it into there or not even on at all. This will increase the length of the unit, which you can remove that and make it narrower. Then you got, I mean, not as long. You have your manual, so it's good to read through this. And you have your charger with your key. Comes with 2 keys, so we'll put that right into here. This just goes right into here. That's your key. Okay, so for now we're just gonna put it right here. Here's your charger. Let me show you this. It's kind of important. when you charge this unit, which is nice, you can remove this battery to charge it. Also, you see this is not plugged in. This is a part of the install or the unboxing, so we got to plug that in. So I'm going to show you how that works. Before that, I want to show you this. This is your basket bracket. So what you'll do is you'll just loosen this, and you're going to clamp it onto here. And just put this back on. I'm not going to tighten it up right now, but then you'll tighten it up. So you'll have to have a little thing to hold on to it. And then you got this little set screw right here. So wherever you get it at the height you want, you'll just put that set screw. Like this. Okay, and then you'll tighten these up too. This will drop right onto there. And this allows this to come up. If that was tight, this little clip right here will go in and lock it. So you just kind of move it like that to unlock it. It has a little handle. It's kind of nice bag. I really like it, soft bag. So if you are traveling, it's nice to have this. Put that in your overhead compartment or whatever. Solid tires, front and back. Pretty decent ground clearance. We'll do a review. Charging this. So let me go ahead and show you how you get to do this one thing. I'm gonna put this down back here because we got to fold this down and drop this battery out. Right here, there's a lever. And you see how these wheels are up? This is going to allow it to stand up. They can come down for anti-tippers when you're out riding it, and then when you want to pull it like a suitcase, you want these down. But if you're going to store this, you want them up. Here's your lock, release. So release will allow it to roll, locks it right there. So what we're going to do is I'm going to flip this back to where I can get, and again, this is your thing, goes up and down. This pulls up, comes down, and then I'm going to pull this up. And the reason why I'm doing this is to get to this battery. This battery is extremely light. I'm going to pull this cord down. There's a pin right here if you want to get that, Andre. Pull this. This comes down. So when you're traveling on an airplane, some people say you don't have to remove the battery to go on the airplane. I'm being told you do. I have traveled with 2 units. I've traveled with the Sport and the carry-on GB120 by carryonyusa.com. So you have to remove the battery. So if you have to remove the battery to travel, this thing's extremely light. And you can charge it through here, which is very, very nice. So you're going to want to plug this right here, right into here. And then you got to pull this pin back out. And then you're good. So now we can put it on the charger and charge it up. One thing I want to point out when you're charging this unit up is you do have a rocker switch that keeps this unit on and off. So like right here is it's off. So if you put your key in there, it doesn't work. This is your rocker. That's on and that's off. But let's say you go and charge it and you plug this into the port. On this charger, you have a light. You have a blue light. The blue light means charging. Now some chargers will be different colors. Blue light means it's charging. Green means it's fully charged. If you plug this into here and this light's automatically green when I plug it in, then you have a problem. So we'll show you that. Let me get plugged in. So like this is what you got to be careful with that rocker switch. Again, this light says is blue. It means it's charging. Give it a full 12-hour charge when you're charging it. green when it's fully charged. But since I have this switch put in the off position, when I plug this right back into here, it turns green immediately. That means it's not charging. That means that rocker switch is closed. So if I flip it, it turns to blue. That means it's charging. So when you're charging this, this is eventually going to turn to green. It'll probably turn to green in a couple hours, but leave it on the charger for at least 12 hours, your initial charge. When you see this fully green, you're good. But if you plug this in with this thing turned off, it'll go straight to green. That means it's not charging. So just make sure you do that first. You want to see blue first. So again, we're going to go do a review video. So there's going to be more stuff in our next video. Take it outside, test drive it, get that blue one going, go over the cool thing. That's your unboxing. Super easy. Give us a call. This is the Triaxe Cruze, 350-pound weight capacity, 6 miles per hour, up to 18 miles on a single charge, depending on the person's weight. Can hold 350. 18-inch wide seat, blue or red. Very compact, very portable, very nice. We have these in stock. It does have a light, shining light in Andre's face, so I apologize. Spring shock suspension has it all. Check our review video on the product in just a little bit. Visit us at affordablemedicalusa.com.